Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2018 Ford F-150. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels. And they're wrapped with Hankook Dynapro tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end. On the back you have rear backup sensors, a factory trailer hitch, and a rear backup camera. Taking a look at the bed, your bed liner here is going to keep the bed very safe, and then you have your floor mats kept back here as well. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Keyless entry on the driver door. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated seats. Four-wheel drive controls, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. It's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.